Hello students, good morning all. In previous class we have discussed definite integration concept and some problems. Now we are going to discuss seventh question. See the question, how to do that? How to do that? So the problem is integration 1 by 2 to 1 by under root x minus x square. Take common x 1 by 2 to 1 by. If you are taken x common, you will get like this. Root x into under root 1 minus x dx. Now, what we have to take in place of t? So here, take that root x is equal to t. Then x is equal to t square. Yes or no? Apply the differentiation. Dx is equal to 2t dt. Now, limits also we want to change. If x is equal to 1, then what is t? T is equal to root 1, that is 1. If x is equal to 1 by 2, then what is t? T is equal to under root 1 by 2. That means 1 by root 2 or not. These values, substitute here. What happened? 1 by root 2 to 1. Dx means we know that 2t dt. In denominator, root x means t into under root 1 minus x. X value is t square. Observe here, t is going to cancel. Then write remaining. 2 take outside. Integration 1 by 2 to 1 by root 2 to 1 by under root 1 minus t square. Integration 1 by under root 1 minus x square dx. What is the formula? Sine inverse x. So here sine inverse t. What are the limits? 1 by root 2 to 1. Now substitute the limit. First upper limit, sine inverse of 1 minus sine inverse of 1 by root 2. Sine inverse of 1 means we know very well, that is 90 pi by 2 minus sine inverse of 1 by root 2, that is pi by 4. 90 minus 45, that is 45. So 2 into pi by 4. Now finally, what is the answer? Pi by 2. So which option is correct? Third option. Here important is take x common inside the root, you will get outside root x. Then take that root x is equal to t, x is equal to t square, and change the limits also. Now originally the limits are x values. Whenever we are converting in terms of t, the limit also we want to change in terms of t only. Students, are you understood now? Value of I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x whole square divided by under root 1 plus sin 2x. Root 1 plus sin 2x, that is important. 1 means we can write sin square x plus cos square x. Sin 2x means formula 2 sin x cos x. And this is overall we can write sin x plus cos x whole square under root. Then square root is cancelled. denominator overall we get sin x plus cos x. Okay, and a numerator sin x plus cos x, there are two terms, square is here now. So denominator and numerator one term cancel. Remaining is only sin x plus cos x. Now apply the integration. What is integration sin x? Minus cos x. Minus cos x. Integration cos x. Sin x. Now the limit 0 to pi by 2. First substitute upper limit. Cos 90 0 plus sin 90 1 minus lower limit. Cos 0 1 is minus 1 plus 0. Overall observe that calculation answer is 2. Which option is correct? Third option. Students, observe the ninth question. Previous problem already we are done. Integration under root 1 plus sin 2x. Here under root 1 plus sin x given. So this is a submultiple angle related. So what we can write, tell me? That is sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square under root. So square root cancel. Then apply the integration. Integration sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 and x coefficient is there right in denominator plus cos x by 2, that is sin x by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Now apply the limit 0 to pi by 2. Overall observe here denominator 1 by 2 common. So it's going to numerator means 2. Now write that upper limit. If you are substituted pi by 2, you will get pi by 4. Cos pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. This is upper limit minus lower limit. Cos 0 1, sin 0 0. Now see the calculation. Overall answer is 2. Third option is correct. See the next question. Integration 0 to log 2 cos h of 2x. What is integration cos h of 2x, students? Integration cos h of 2x, that is sin h of 2x. And observe the x coefficient, 2 is there, right, denominator. 0 to log 2. 0 to log 2. And here we know that students, tell me what is sin h of x hyperbolic function formula? That is e power x minus e power minus x by 2. Cos h of x means in between plus, that is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Okay, these formulas, remember it. Now substitute e power x, e power 2x, sorry, minus e power minus 2x by 2. Already 2 is there, 2 into 2, 4. Limit 0 to log 2. Now apply the limit 1 by 4. First I am going to apply that upper limit e power 2 log 2. 2 log 2 minus e power minus 2 log 2. This is upper limit. Now substitute lower limit. Then what happens? See, e power 0 1 minus 1. This is lower limit. Completely that is 0. So here we know the formula. E power log x to the base e. That value should be x or not? Here base not given. That means you have to think base e. And these two sent to power 2 square. So finally what I am saying means here you will get 4. And here 2 power minus 2 means 1 by 4. Remaining is 0. Total observe that 4 4s are 16. 16 minus 1, 15. 15 by answer 15 by 4 into 4, 16. So first option is correct.